Hi folks, this is Dr. Don. I want to take a few minutes of your time and go over some changes that have occurred in how we use Tableau Public since we created the videos for the course. I'm signed into my Tableau Public account, and when I get there I notice first of all there's a create drop down here and it says web authoring or download Tableau desktop. Now what web authoring allows you to create, and I think you can do all your assignments on the web without installing software on your local computer if you cannot do that. For example, if you're working for an organization, you're having to use their computer and they won't let you install software, you could try the web authoring. It's a little more complex, I think, than using the desktop version. So if you can, I recommend using the downloading and installing the desktop version. There's another Create a Viz down here button that you may see as well. That also takes you to the web authoring. So I'm going to click that. And the first thing it says, we got to connect the data. Now this is just like the desktop version. You've got to do that. In the past, not too long ago, you had to use a cloud data source with the web authoring. Now you can upload from your computer. So I'm going to load the module 7 data, and you see it's processing the files right now and it's loading that data, and I'm just going to drag the CO2 clean data just to get it there, and then I'm going to go over here to sheet 1. You can see it's importing data and it's creating an extract. What an extract is a copy of your data file embedded inside your Tableau workbook. And that is something you need to do in order to work with web authoring. You've got to create that abstract. And as soon as you publish your file to Tableau in the cloud, it will create that extract for you. I'm going to go ahead and click publish, and I'm going to make it just a funny name here, AAA, and I'm going to click publish. Now you can see it's published that. So if I X out of this, it'll take me back to my account and it will show you this sheet AAA, which of course I didn't do anything, so it's not visible. If I click back on my name, it'll go back to my account, and you can see there's that document, that thing I created. Let's go back to that. And I would mention to you, for your assignment, you've got to submit a Tableau workbook file. And the way you get that, if you're working online, is to click on the download and then go to Tableau Workbook, current version, download. And I would point out to you that the file has this TWBX extension, and that means that the data includes an extract, which is what you want. And that would be the workbook you turn in. And again, you just download and open that. Okay?